This is a 2022 Jeep Rubicon with the 392, basically the Hellcat motor. We're going to liven up the exhaust. The customer wants to delete the rear muffler, give it some really good rumble. We're also going to take the mid muffler out, the dual in, dual out mid muffler, leave the factory X pipe and cat converters, give you a little before and after shot, delete the active exhaust system on this thing, so it's going to be wide open, ready to rumble all the time. Let's see what it sounds like before we do all that. We'll hit about 115, I think. That's not even nailing it. Probably about 3,500 or so. $111. Right. $112. This will definitely wake it up. We'll get back to you. Okay, so we have removed the rear muffler, installed the muffler delete pipes. Tucked it all up in there nice and clean. Customer didn't really want to see much. Used all 3-inch pipes. Left the factory over axle pipes. Took the mid muffler out of it, as we said, but left the factory X pipe. Really should wake it up, make it rumble. Let's see what it made here on the DB. Definitely woke it up quite a bit.